Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Payoneer in 2025. If you're into crypto and need to move your funds quickly and securely, this guide is perfect for you. USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. By the end of this video, you'll have the steps down pat to make this transfer smoothly. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account, a Payoneer account set up for crypto deposits, and some USDC in your Coinbase wallet. Also, keep an eye on any 2025 updates, as crypto regulations might have changed. Always double-check the platforms for the latest info. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select your USDC wallet. It's usually listed under your assets, easy to find. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw option for USDC. You'll need to choose the network. Go with Ethereum or whatever supported in 2025 for seamless transfers. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to account for any network fees to avoid surprises. Step 3. Now, for the recipient details. You'll input your Payoneer wallet address. Double-check this to prevent any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. If Payoneer requires a specific format, make sure it matches. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Coinbase will show you a summary, including fees and the estimated arrival time. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Payoneer account to verify the deposit. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication for extra security, and keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with international transfers. There you have it. Transferring USDC from Coinbase to Payoneer is straightforward once you know the ropes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.